What's up, YouTube? It is your girl, South American Bree. Welcome back to another video. If you guys have not followed me yet, make sure that you follow me at South American Bree. Also, turn on your post notifications. In today's video, we are going to be talking about some of my favorite perfumes. We're going to be smelling them. We're going to be looking at the bottles, all of that good stuff. So if this is the type of video that you are interested in, get your seat, pull up your seat, get you some coffee or tea, whichever one you prefer, and let's get straight into it. So coming in at the #1 spot, I'm going to tell you why I like this. And we're going to go over just a little bit of everything. So let's get started. Okay. So first things first, it is the Carolina Herrera. And can we just appreciate the bottle? Like, look how gorgeous this is. This is absolutely my #1 favorite perfume. The reason why I like it so much is it has like a floral scent to it. The name of this one is actually called Blush. I like the fact that it has this little button at the back. At first, when I first seen the heel, I thought you just, pop it off like that or whatever. I couldn't figure out how to do it, but you just put your finger at the back and you just spray. I absolutely love this. Every time I wear this perfume, I always get so many compliments. They're like, what are you wearing? Ooh, you smell so good. So this is #1, okay? Now let's move on to perfume #2. Perfume #2 is gonna have this MCM. And look at it. Look how cute it is. The reason why I love this, because I feel like it's similar to the Carolina Herrera. So what color, what kind is this? Y'all, I don't know the name of it. I just know the pink one. It is one of their newest ones, I do believe. Well, when I got it, it was the newest one that had came out, so I got it. Plus, pink is my favorite color. I just thought it was so cute. You press the button right in here, so you stick your finger in there, and you just... What I like about this is later on, once it's empty, you can attach this to like your backpack or purse or whatever. I know it's too big to really be a charm, but if you have a backpack and you can attach it to the backpack, hey, cute, 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 cute. So just think about having an MCM backpack or the tote bag, and then somehow you attach it to that. That's just cute, right? I do have a smaller one though, that's charm size. Let's see if I can find that for y'all real quick, just so I could show you. Okay, so look. Here it is right here. This is like a travel size one in a different, I want to say flavor. Oh my God, my brain. Not a flavor, a different scent. Okay, I don't know what scent it is, to be honest with you. This one you do just pull off. And it smells really, really good. I got this during like the Christmas season, probably 2 years ago at Burlingtons. And I want to say that it was only like $8, somewhere up in there. But this one, you can actually hook this on to your backpack or whatever. Because as you can see, this is charm size. This is like real big. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that. Now coming in in third place that I really, really like. I know it's an oldie. Some of y'all might not agree with this, but who cares if you agree with me or not? I'm telling you my favorite perfumes. You can take it or leave it, okay? So coming in at #3, it's going to be this Ed Hardy. I am an Ed Hardy girl. I basically remember Ed Hardy back in the 2000s. I'm an 80s baby, so yes, I'm here for it. This is the Love and Luck. You can now find these Ed Hardy perfumes at like Marshall's, Burlingtons, TJ Maxx, you know, those type of stores, Walmart. But I love this. I get a lot of compliments every time I wear this. You gonna smell like money. You want to smell like money? Ed Hardy. I love the packaging. It's a 3.4 ounce bottle. It just smells really good. As you can see, I've been using it. I'm gonna put some on right now. Oh, I love that. Oh, I love that smell. That smell is so good. Okay, it's real good. And I paid $20 for this. I also have it in the pink one. I don't know, again, I don't know the like the name of this one. Y'all, look, all you got to do is go to those stores that I'm telling you about. They either gonna have the pink one in a pink case, or either they gonna have this one in a white case, or you might even get lucky to find the men's. But this came from Walmart. This one came from maybe like TJ Maxx, Marshall's, one of those stores. This one, it smells good too. But to be honest with y'all, I like this one. This one is the best one to me. It's the best one. Now, coming in at number four is going to have to be, it's going to have to be this Gucci. This is the Gucci Floral Magnolia Essence is the one. They do have like a pink. It does come in teal, like a turquoise color. It comes in yellow. The yellow is the newest one. I do want the yellow one, but this one is still my favorite. It smells good. Every time I wear this, I get loads of compliments every single time I wear it. So it's the Gucci Flora Gorgeous Magnolia. This bottle is I want to say it's like, okay, it's 3.3 ounces. So yeah, Gucci. I got this one from, I believe, Macy's or Dillard's, one of those department stores. Coming in at number, what we on, number 4 or 5. It's gonna, what I like about it, the I Want You, Jimmy Choo I Want You, I love the gold bottle. I got this in a gift set. It came with a travel size, like a travel size spray. It came with lotion, and I also got a purse to go with this. And I got this during the Christmas holiday season. It was $156, came in this gold box. And I just really thought it was a really great deal because you got the perfume, you got the lotion, which is right here. Oh, it also came with this too. I forgot. It came with this wallet. You got the JC right there. Came with a little wallet. The perfume, which was like right in there. The travel size spray. And it came with a purse. So all of that for $156. Let me see what that purse says so I can show y'all the purse. Here go the purse right here. I haven't even used the purse yet, y'all. Tag still on it. Jimmy Choo. It's real cute. I had put my sunglasses up in there. But just to show you like the inside, it's just a small little evening bag. You going, got a date night. You need your little gold purse. Put your little gold purse on. Keep on pushing. So those are my top perfumes. I do have a whole lot more. Comment below if y'all want to see the whole, you know, perfume collection, if that's something that you're interested in. Should I do like the whole perfume collection or what? But that is my little countdown. Hopefully y'all have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Bye.